luxury can be done in moderation, okay? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hey y'all, hey. What's up everybody? Welcome back to the LaShaun channel. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing on the YSL Cassandre wallet. I am excited to unbox this for you guys. If you have never been to my channel before, or if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to that channel and join the family. Everybody else, welcome back. Okay, let's get into it. Let me share with you guys. It was my birthday, August 20th. And I received some gifts and stuff. Male friend of mine, really close. Well, actually my ex-boyfriend. And we're really good friends today. He actually purchased this wallet for me. I had been saying that I wanted it. And so finally he was like, okay, go ahead and get it. So let's go into the unboxing portion, and then I'll come back and talk to you guys and give you some commentary about it. Okay guys, so this is straight out of the box from St. Laurent. Here we have a black gift box tied with black ribbon. This is the greeting card, and this says happy birthday, happy 49th birthday D. This is another envelope that houses the return label and the invoice. Let's open her up with her black ribbon and her black tissue paper. She is housed inside of the dust bag. I appreciate that. And here she is. Ladies and gentlemen, the Cassandre Metallice flat pouch in beige. So this is the front. Here is her wristlet, the side, the back view, and opening her up, she immediately has the St. Laurent logo. This is inside of her, and yeah, she's snap closure. Let's get into more. So as you can see, we did unbox her. Let me share with you guys what was in this little envelope right here. So in this little envelope, these are booklets, okay? YSL Paris booklets. Here's another booklet, and for some strange reason, I just got a little oil on it. There's a card. And on the back, it tells you what it is, okay? So, yeah, that's what this is. So, I'm going to put this back up inside of here. Again, this was a card. They do give you a gift card, and my gift card says, happy 49th birthday, D. 49, guys, yeah. And again, I already opened this one. This is your return receipt, your invoice, and stuff like that. So that's what's inside of here. Now, let's get into the dust bag. This is the dust bag that they give you with it. If you want to, you know, so you can store your bag and keep it looking really nice. And then here she is. Again, this is your Cassandre wallet. Okay, let's see. Nope, that's not the true color. There's the true color right there. Yep. She's a wristlet, and the wristlet is removable, as you can see. I'm not impressed. I thought I was gonna really like her, guys, but she's okay. I'm just not really impressed with her. I do feel like I can get quite a few things inside of her, but I'm just, you know, not as impressed as I thought I would be with her. She's a really good bag. She's definitely bigger than the Uptown, because I have a Uptown wallet in black, and so I wanted something a little bit bigger. I really wish I could have put another, there's one piece for the wristlet part. I wish it was another one right there, and I can put a thick short strap on her. Would be so cute. I was not going to pay another $1,000 for, you know, just a strap. So like I told my ex, just get this one, because the one with the chain link, you're paying a whole another $1,000, and that made no sense. So, but she's cute. She's nice. She does match my beige, a pair of beige flat shoes that I have. The Tory Burch that I love so much. This is the exact same color. But yeah, she's cute. I am going to wear her. I'm going to style her. You'll see it on my other channel. But yeah, she's a really good buy. For $795 was the original price of her. With tax and shipping, it was $844. And I got this directly from the YSL website. Yeah, I paid for it with my ex credit card, but that's okay. So yeah, it came straight from YSL itself. But yeah, overall, I do like. Okay, so let me show you what can fit inside the wallet. I'm gonna take a few things out of my current purse that I've been carrying lately in here, and I'm just gonna see if I can put some other pieces in here to see what will fit inside of her. So let's see. Now this is my Gucci wallet. Let's see if she will fit in here. Oh, she fits pretty nicely. Okay, okay, okay. So you can get a wallet in her. See, she kind of had like some little slots. So, okay. So I have that wallet in there. Let's see what else. Also, I have my Michael Kors card wallet. I'm gonna put that inside of there. I don't know why I would need two card wallets inside of a clutch, but I got it in there. I have a lotion. Let's see if the lotion, yep, the lotion fits right down in the side. Also, I have, which is a little lipstick. I have a little Tom Ford lipstick in here. So we're gonna see if we can get the little Tom Ford lipstick in here with it. I'm gonna say it's gonna have to lay across the top, okay? And I think that's it, because I don't wanna force too much stuff in her. Yep, all of that fit nicely. It fit in there. And you see she got a little bit wider, and that's how she looks. So yeah, this is pretty good. And she tucks under the arm nicely. So yeah, I think she is a keeper. But yeah, if I can fit all this stuff in there, then I'm sure you guys, I fit this in there. This is a really big lotion. This is definitely a big wallet. And then also another card wallet. So yeah, all that stuff fit in there. So you can pretty much get your hand sanitizer, your card wallet, you know, stuff like that inside of her. So I'm excited about that. I'm happy about that. But yeah. All right, so I did link the Cassandre wallet in the description box below. I'll also pin it to the comments if you're interested in purchasing her. If you guys have Ebates or Rakuten, definitely get your points. If you can get points for her, definitely do that. And yeah, go over. And if I'm not mistaken, I think YSL may take Klarna as well. So go over there and check it out. There's ways to buy and have luxury pieces, guys. You don't just have to go and buy it straight out. And you definitely don't have to go over and purchase the most expensive purse on the website just to have a luxury piece. Luxury can be done in moderation. Okay, and so I'm excited that I was able to bring this video to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to the LaShaun channel, where we are 40 plus over here. We do mature luxury things. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Until the next video, bye for now.